The Drug Research Rules, 1978. The Drug Research Rules, 1978 are a set of regulations established to govern the conduct of drug research and development in Pakistan, ensuring that research activities adhere to scientific, ethical, and regulatory standards. The rules are overseen by the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP), which plays a vital role in safeguarding public health by regulating the pharmaceutical sector. The key components of the Drug Research Rules, 1978, include 1. Scope and purpose. The rules apply to all research activities involving drugs, including clinical trials, preclinical studies, and other forms of drug testing. Their primary purpose is to ensure that research is conducted ethically and scientifically, with a focus on the safety and efficacy of pharmaceuticals. 2. Approval process. Before any drug research can begin, researchers must submit a detailed research protocol to DRAP. This protocol should outline the objectives, methodology, participant recruitment strategies, and data analysis plans. The submission undergoes a thorough review process to ensure compliance with ethical standards and regulatory requirements. 3. Ethical considerations. The rules emphasize the importance of ethics in drug research. Researchers are required to obtain informed consent from all participants, ensuring that they are fully aware of the nature of the study, potential risks, and benefits. The rights and well-being of participants must be prioritized throughout the research process. 4. Clinical trials. The rules provide specific guidelines for conducting clinical trials, which are essential for evaluating the safety and efficacy of new drugs. Researchers must follow good clinical practice (GCP) guidelines, which include maintaining proper documentation, reporting adverse events, and ensuring participant confidentiality. 5. Monitoring and reporting. Continuous monitoring of ongoing research is mandated to ensure compliance with the approved protocol and ethical standards. Researchers are required to report any adverse events or unexpected outcomes to DRAP promptly. This allows for real-time oversight and the implementation of necessary safety measures. 6. Regulatory compliance. All research must adhere to the guidelines set forth by DRAP and relevant international standards. This includes maintaining accurate records, conducting audits, and being prepared for inspections by regulatory authorities. 7. Data management and transparency. Researchers must ensure that all data collected during the study is managed responsibly, with measures in place to protect confidentiality. Transparency in reporting results is critical, including publishing findings in reputable scientific journals and sharing data with the scientific community. 8. Post-research obligations. Upon completion of the research, researchers are required to submit a comprehensive report to DRAP, detailing the outcomes, conclusions, and any implications for public health. This report contributes to the regulatory review process for drug approval. 9. Training and capacity building. The rules underscore the importance of training researchers and staff involved in drug research to enhance their understanding of regulatory requirements and ethical practices. In summary, the Drug Research Rules, 1978, established by DRAP, provide a comprehensive framework for conducting drug research in Pakistan. These rules aim to ensure that all research activities are conducted ethically, scientifically, and in compliance with regulatory standards, ultimately safeguarding public health and advancing pharmaceutical development. MCQs portion. We are sharing 200 multiple choice questions (MCQs) on the topic, the Drug Research Rules, 1978, with the correct answers only. 1. What is the primary purpose of the Drug Research Rules, 1978? Answer. To ensure that drug research is conducted ethically and scientifically. 2. Which authority oversees the drug research rules in Pakistan? Answer. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). 3. What is required before starting any drug research? Answer. Submission of a detailed research protocol to DRAP. 4. What must the research protocol include? Answer. Objectives, methodology, and participant recruitment strategies. 5. What ethical principle is emphasized in drug research? Answer. Informed consent from participants. 6. Which guidelines must clinical trials adhere to? Answer. Good Clinical Practice (GCP) guidelines. 7. What is the purpose of continuous monitoring in research? Answer. To ensure compliance with approved protocols. 8. What should researchers report to DRAP during the study? Answer. Any adverse events or unexpected outcomes. 9. What is a key component of regulatory compliance? Answer. Maintaining accurate records. 10. What must be done with data collected during the study? Answer. It must be managed responsibly. 11. What is the significance of transparency in reporting results? Answer. To share findings with the scientific community. 12. What must researchers submit upon completing the research? Answer. A comprehensive report to DRAP. 13. Which aspect is critical for protecting participant rights? Answer. Prioritizing the well-being of participants. 14. What is the role of audits in drug research? Answer. To verify compliance with regulations. 15. What must be maintained for each research study? Answer. Proper documentation of procedures and outcomes. 16. Which population's rights must be safeguarded during research? Answer. Vulnerable populations. 17. What type of approval is necessary for clinical trials? Answer. Ethical Review Board approval. 18. What must researchers do if they discover new risks during the study? Answer. Report these risks to DRAP immediately. 19. How are research findings typically shared with the public? Answer. Through publication in scientific journals. 20. What is an essential requirement for participant recruitment? Answer: clear communication of study details. 21. What should researchers ensure about their study design? Answer: it must be scientifically sound. 22. Which documents are critical for regulatory submission? Answer: research protocol and consent forms. 23. What is necessary for the safety of investigational drugs? Answer: comprehensive preclinical studies. 24. What must researchers consider regarding confidentiality? Answer: protecting the identities of study participants. 25. What is the goal of post-research reporting? Answer: to provide insights into the study's implications for public health. 26. What is essential for managing adverse events during a trial? Answer: a robust reporting system. 27. What training is recommended for researchers? Answer: training in ethical practices and regulatory compliance. 28. What type of information must be included in consent forms? Answer: risks and benefits of participation. 29. What is a critical aspect of participant selection? Answer: inclusion and exclusion criteria. 30. What is required for the approval of drug research protocols? Answer: comprehensive review by DRAP. 31. How should researchers address potential conflicts of interest? Answer: full disclosure to DRAP and participants. 32. What must be monitored during clinical trials? Answer: participant safety and data integrity. 33. What documentation is necessary for drug manufacturing during trials? Answer: good manufacturing practice (GMP) records. 34. What is the purpose of independent ethics committees? Answer: to review and approve research proposals. 35. What is necessary for conducting research on vulnerable populations? Answer: additional ethical safeguards. 36. What should researchers do if their research protocol changes? Answer: submit amendments to DRAP for approval. 37. What is a primary focus of regulatory inspections? Answer: compliance with the drug research rules. 38. What is essential for ensuring participant understanding and consent? Answer: clear and accessible language. 39. What must researchers do regarding adverse event follow-up? Answer: monitor and assess long-term effects. 40. What is the significance of biostatistics in drug research? Answer: to analyze data and validate findings. 41. What role do data safety monitoring boards play? Answer: to oversee participant safety in clinical trials. 42. What must be included in a study's final report? Answer: analysis of data and conclusions drawn. 43. What is a critical consideration for research involving new drugs? Answer: comprehensive risk assessment. 44. What must be documented regarding informed consent? Answer: proof of participant understanding and agreement. 45. What is the purpose of pharmacovigilance in drug research? Answer: to monitor the safety of drugs after approval. 46. What kind of trials require specific ethical considerations? Answer: trials involving high-risk procedures. 47. What is an important factor for the generalizability of research findings? Answer: diversity in participant selection. 48. What is a fundamental ethical principle in research? Answer: respect for persons. 49. What should be assessed during the peer review process? Answer: the scientific validity of the research. 50. What is the role of DRAP in drug research oversight? Answer: to ensure compliance with regulations. 51. What documentation must researchers keep throughout the study? Answer: all correspondence and data records. 52. What is necessary for ensuring the credibility of research results? Answer: rigorous methodology and statistical analysis. 53. What should researchers include in their risk management plan? Answer: strategies for minimizing potential harms. 54. What is a potential consequence of non-compliance with the rules? Answer: regulatory penalties or study termination. 55. What is critical for participant recruitment in sensitive studies? Answer: trust and transparency. 56. What is necessary for ensuring ethical treatment of participants? Answer: continuous ethical training for researchers. 57. What must be disclosed in study advertisements? Answer: key information about the study's purpose. 58. What is a common requirement for international research collaboration? Answer: adherence to local regulations and guidelines. 59. What should be included in the statistical analysis plan? Answer: methods for data analysis and interpretation. 60. What type of consent is required for studies involving minors? Answer: parental or guardian consent. 61. What is the importance of interim analysis in trials? Answer: to assess safety and efficacy before completion. 62. What is a key consideration when designing a clinical trial? Answer: the selection of appropriate endpoints. 63. What must researchers ensure regarding the language of consent forms? Answer: it must be understandable to participants. 64. What should be the focus of training programs for research staff? Answer: ethical standards and compliance procedures. 65. What is an important aspect of community engagement in research? Answer: involving local stakeholders in the planning process. 66. What is essential for the reproducibility of research findings? Answer: detailed methodology descriptions. 67. What must be done regarding the storage of research data? Answer: ensure secure and confidential storage. 68. What is the role of a principal investigator in drug research? Answer: To oversee the study and ensure compliance. 69. What must researchers do if they find significant risks during a trial? Answer. Pause the study and consult with DRAP. 70. What is the goal of patient recruitment strategies? Answer. To ensure adequate and diverse participation. 71. What should researchers provide to participants post-study? Answer. Information about study results. 72. What is necessary for maintaining participant confidentiality? Answer. Secure data handling procedures. 73. What is the importance of consent comprehension assessments? Answer. To ensure participants understand the study details. 74. What must be reviewed by the Ethics Committee before research begins? Answer. The research protocol and consent forms. 75. What is essential for establishing trust with participants? Answer. Transparency and clear communication. 76. What should be assessed for the validity of research conclusions? Answer. The robustness of data analysis. 77. What is a common method for recruiting participants? Answer. Community outreach and informational sessions. 78. What type of feedback is important for improving research practices? Answer. Participant feedback on the study experience. 79. What must researchers establish regarding their study's objectives? Answer. Clear and measurable goals. 80. What is necessary for ensuring the ethical use of placebos? Answer. Justification based on the study design. 81. What must be considered when involving pregnant participants in research? Answer. Additional ethical protections for mother and child. 82. What is the role of independent monitors in clinical trials? Answer. To ensure participant safety and data integrity. 83. What must researchers do if a participant withdraws from a study? Answer. Respect their decision and ensure confidentiality. 84. What should researchers consider regarding the timing of consent? Answer. Participants should be allowed ample time to decide. 85. What is critical for ensuring the reliability of clinical trial results? Answer. Randomized study design. 86. What is essential for research involving advanced therapies? Answer. Detailed risk assessment and monitoring. 87. What should researchers do with excess study drugs after completion? Answer. Properly dispose of or return them to the manufacturer. 88. What is the significance of secondary outcomes in research? Answer. To assess additional effects of the intervention. 89. What must be detailed in the research protocol regarding data analysis? Answer. Statistical methods and software to be used. 90. What is an important aspect of participant follow-up? Answer. Monitoring for long-term effects after the study ends. 91. What is required for the ethical treatment of animals in research? Answer. Compliance with animal welfare guidelines. 92. What should researchers do to address cultural sensitivities in studies? Answer: tailor recruitment and communication strategies accordingly. 93. What is the importance of an informed consent checklist? Answer: to ensure all required information is provided to participants. 94. What should researchers document regarding participant interactions? Answer: all communications and consent discussions. 95. What must be assessed to ensure the adequacy of the research team? Answer: training and expertise of all members. 96. What is necessary for conducting research in emergency situations? Answer: specific ethical guidelines and consent procedures. 97. What should be included in the participant information sheet? Answer: study objectives, procedures, and contact information. 98. What is a fundamental requirement for multi-center trials? Answer: standardized protocols across all sites. 99. What should researchers assess regarding the feasibility of their study? Answer: availability of resources and participant access. 100. What is the role of community advisory boards in research? Answer: to provide input and feedback on study design and conduct. 101. What is necessary for the transparency of research funding? Answer: disclosure of funding sources and conflicts of interest. 102. What should be prioritized in studies involving investigational drugs? Answer: participant safety and monitoring. 103. What is required for the ethical review of sensitive topics? Answer: additional scrutiny and consideration of participant impact. 104. What must researchers do to maintain integrity in data reporting? Answer: avoid selective reporting of results. 105. What is a critical aspect of trial design for rare diseases? Answer: collaboration with patient advocacy groups. 106. What must researchers assess for the appropriateness of interventions? Answer: evidence of safety and efficacy from previous studies. 107. What is the significance of patient-reported outcomes in research? Answer: to capture the participant's perspective on treatment effects. 108. What should researchers ensure regarding the diversity of their sample? Answer: inclusion of various demographic groups. 109. What is essential for managing conflicts of interest in research? Answer: clear policies and regular disclosures. 110. What must be provided to participants after a trial ends? Answer: a debriefing on study findings. 111. What is the importance of feedback mechanisms in research? Answer: to improve future study designs and participant engagement. 112. What is required for the ethical treatment of human subjects? Answer: adherence to established ethical guidelines. 113. What is a primary consideration when designing studies for children? Answer: Developmentally appropriate communication and consent. 114. What must researchers do regarding the use of personal data? Answer. Ensure data protection and confidentiality. 115. What is essential for the credibility of clinical trial results? Answer. Independent monitoring and auditing. 116. What is a key aspect of the informed consent process? Answer. Ensuring voluntary participation. 117. What should researchers document regarding adverse events? Answer. Detailed descriptions and follow-up actions taken. 118. What must be considered for research involving elderly participants? Answer. Additional consent and ethical protections. 119. What is necessary for ensuring participant engagement in studies? Answer. Regular communication and updates. 120. What should researchers assess regarding the scalability of their findings? Answer. Applicability to broader populations. 121. What is required for international collaborations in drug research? Answer. Compliance with local laws and ethical standards. 122. What is essential for evaluating the feasibility of a research study? Answer. Pilot testing the study design. 123. What must be communicated clearly to participants regarding risks? Answer. Potential side effects and complications. 124. What is the significance of utilizing electronic data capture systems? Answer. To enhance data accuracy and efficiency. 125. What should be included in the risk-benefit analysis? Answer. Comparison of potential risks and expected benefits. 126. What is necessary for establishing eligibility criteria? Answer. Clear definitions of inclusion and exclusion factors. 127. What is a primary focus of regulatory agencies during audits? Answer. Compliance with ethical and scientific standards. 128. What should be prioritized in studies involving behavioral interventions? Answer. The development of evidence-based practices. 129. What must researchers consider regarding the dissemination of findings? Answer. Strategies for effective communication with stakeholders. 130. What is essential for the recruitment of hard-to-reach populations? Answer. Tailored outreach and engagement strategies. 131. What should researchers document regarding participant withdrawals? Answer. Reasons for withdrawal and their implications. 132. What is important for ensuring the sustainability of research findings? Answer. Ongoing monitoring and follow-up studies. 133. What is required for the ethical approval of studies with sensitive content? Answer. Detailed justification of the study's importance. 134. What must researchers ensure regarding the accessibility of consent forms? Answer. Availability in multiple languages if necessary. 135. What is necessary for conducting a literature review prior to research? Answer: comprehensive and systematic search for relevant studies. 136. What is a key aspect of maintaining participant motivation during studies? Answer: regular feedback and recognition of contributions. 137. What must be assessed for the cultural appropriateness of interventions? Answer: alignment with community values and practices. 138. What is essential for protecting the welfare of research subjects? Answer: continuous monitoring of study conditions. 139. What should researchers do to promote trust with participants? Answer: engage in open dialogue and transparency. 140. What is necessary for documenting study modifications? Answer: formal procedures for approval and communication. 141. What is a fundamental requirement for studies involving genetic testing? Answer: informed consent specific to genetic information. 142. What is important for addressing potential biases in research? Answer: implementing strategies for randomization and blinding. 143. What should be included in the training of research personnel? Answer: protocol adherence and ethical considerations. 144. What is a critical factor for the success of clinical trials? Answer: participant retention strategies. 145. What is necessary for the ethical treatment of participants in observational studies? Answer: respect for privacy and confidentiality. 146. What must researchers ensure regarding the validity of their methods? Answer: alignment with established scientific principles. 147. What is the significance of outcome measures in research? Answer: to assess the effectiveness of the intervention. 148. What is required for conducting studies in different geographical locations? Answer: consideration of local regulations and cultural contexts. 149. What must be provided to participants before enrollment in a study? Answer: clear information about the study's purpose and procedures. 150. What is essential for conducting research on new therapeutic approaches? Answer: rigorous assessment of safety and efficacy. 151. What should be included in participant follow-up procedures? Answer: assessments of long-term health outcomes. 152. What is the importance of collaboration in drug research? Answer: to enhance resource sharing and expertise. 153. What must researchers do to ensure the accuracy of data collection? Answer: utilize validated instruments and methodologies. 154. What is a key consideration when analyzing data? Answer: identifying and controlling for confounding variables. 155. What should researchers prioritize when designing community-based studies? Answer: engagement and input from community members. 156. What is essential for the effective management of study sites? Answer: standardization of procedures across locations. 157. What is necessary for the dissemination of study results? Answer: clear communication of findings to participants and stakeholders. 158. What should be considered regarding the involvement of third-party vendors? Answer: compliance with ethical and regulatory standards. 159. What is required for conducting research in emergency medicine? Answer: specific ethical guidelines and rapid consent processes. 160. What is the significance of using control groups in clinical trials? Answer: to compare the effects of the treatment against a baseline. 161. What must be addressed when researching sensitive health topics? Answer: stigmas and social implications associated with the conditions. 162. What is essential for researchers regarding the handling of adverse events? Answer: immediate reporting and assessment of impact on participants. 163. What is important for ensuring the credibility of qualitative research? Answer: rigor in data collection and analysis. 164. What should researchers ensure regarding the documentation of informed consent? Answer: it is retained securely and available for review. 165. What is necessary for the ethical treatment of study participants during recruitment? Answer: full disclosure of study risks and benefits. 166. What must be maintained to support data integrity in research? Answer: comprehensive data management practices. 167. What is a key aspect of ensuring participant understanding and informed consent? Answer: use of lay language and visual aids if needed. 168. What is the importance of community-based participatory research? Answer: it fosters trust and relevance of research to the community. 169. What is necessary for conducting trials in international contexts? Answer: adaptation to local cultural and regulatory environments. 170. What should researchers document regarding the screening process? Answer: justifications for participant eligibility decisions. 171. What is essential for the training of research assistants? Answer: understanding of the study protocol and ethical considerations. 172. What must researchers consider regarding the timing of data collection? Answer: optimal timing to capture relevant outcomes. 173. What is important for fostering a culture of ethics in research? Answer: continuous training and open discussions about ethical issues. 174. What is required for ensuring the safety of participants in a clinical trial? Answer: regular health assessments and monitoring. 175. What should researchers ensure regarding the diversity of study populations? Answer: recruitment strategies that reach underrepresented groups. 176. What is necessary for maintaining participant engagement throughout a study? Answer: frequent communication and updates on study progress. 177. What is the significance of conducting pre-trial feasibility studies? Answer: to identify potential challenges before launching the trial. 178. What must researchers ensure regarding their conflict of interest policies? Answer: they are clearly communicated and enforced. 179. What is essential for documenting the informed consent process? Answer: detailed records of discussions and participant questions. 180. What is a key consideration for the ethical review of research proposals? Answer: balancing scientific advancement with participant safety. 181. What is important for researchers regarding the publication of negative results? Answer: transparency in reporting all findings. 182. What is necessary for addressing issues of participant bias? Answer: randomization and blinding in study design. 183. What should be included in the ethics application for research? Answer: justification of the study's significance and design. 184. What is critical for ensuring the efficacy of treatment interventions? Answer: robust outcome measures and assessment methods. 185. What must researchers be prepared for during site inspections? Answer: providing documentation and explanations of procedures. 186. What is the role of patient advocates in drug research? Answer: to represent the interests and concerns of patients. 187. What is essential for researchers to communicate regarding trial results? Answer: clarity on the implications for future research and practice. 188. What must be assessed regarding the long-term impacts of a study? Answer: follow-up mechanisms for participant health outcomes. 189. What is necessary for the ethical treatment of participants with disabilities? Answer: tailored consent processes and accommodations. 190. What should researchers prioritize in studies involving new medical devices? Answer: comprehensive safety evaluations before widespread use. 191. What is the significance of conducting pilot studies? Answer: to refine the research design and methodology. 192. What must be maintained to support the ethical integrity of research? Answer: an open environment for reporting ethical concerns. 193. What should be documented regarding the recruitment process? Answer: efforts made to reach diverse populations. 194. What is essential for ensuring participant autonomy in research? Answer: providing options for participation and withdrawal. 195. What is necessary for the responsible handling of research data? Answer: compliance with data protection regulations. 196. What is important for establishing research partnerships? Answer: Clear communication of roles and expectations. 197. What should researchers do to enhance the validity of qualitative findings? Answer. Use triangulation of data sources. 198. What is critical for the success of research collaborations? Answer. Mutual respect and shared goals among partners. 199. What is necessary for addressing ethical dilemmas in research? Answer. Access to guidance and resources for researchers. 200. What is essential for ensuring the overall integrity of the research process? Answer. Commitment to ethical standards and continuous improvement. Respected pharmacists, kindly feel free to ask for any further details or specific areas you want to explore. Our message. DRAP, PPSC, FPSC, Hospital Pharmacist, Drug Inspector, DHA, MO, HAAD, SLE, CAPS, OSPAP, etc. Exam preparation, solved past paper MCQs and complete set of notes, are available at this YouTube channel in video form. You can make your pharmacy exam preparation at this YouTube channel. Regards. Majid Body Advocate, PhD Scholar Pharmaceutics. 2023-2026 LLB. Vice President, Pakistan Pharmacists Association PPA Punjab, Pakistan. Contact +92321404236. Thank you.